Hello everyone and welcome to Acad Guild. In this video we'll see how to put data bars in the cells using conditional formatting. Like you have to put the data bars, that means a graph inside this particular cell, not exactly the graph but a single bar, or you can say a single column here inside this bar. That would be not a vertical column but it will be a horizontal column here. Now how do I put a bar inside the cells for this numbers? Is it possible to enter numbers and the bars together? So the answer is yes. Okay, so let us see how to put data bars in the cells using conditional formatting. It's very simple. Simply select the entire column with the numbers without the column heading. That's a star mark, without the column heading. Go to conditional formatting and select the option as data bars. There are two types of colors basically. One is the gradient fill and second is solid fill. What is gradient fill here? If you see, the color has been giving higher and lower, the gradients is given, not the exact and the fixed color. Solid fill will give you the dark color, a proper color will be given there. So let us see, if I select some solid color, I'll select this color, a blue color here, and click on that button here. Now what exactly has happened? If you see the value, if it is the highest, it will give the highest bar. If I enter as 100, you see the entire cell has been given the blue color here. Whereas if I put some value which is lower, so let's say if I put 5 here, and you can see the bar will get it reduced. So it is trying to compare within this particular entire data here, and then it is giving the range here. So if you put here, let's say as 95, enter. So you see 95 would be given the highest the bar, and the lowest number will be given as the lowest one. So if I put the number as 80 as the highest one and 75, yes. So 80, if I give the highest one, you see there's one more number, 91. Let's make it as number small. Now if you see, 80 is given the highest number as compared to all the numbers. Therefore it is giving the complete bar. Okay, it is occupying the complete bar, right? So it's very simple to give. But I'll show you something interesting, that the numbers are in this column and I want to have the data bars in the next column. Numbers here and the data bars here. Is it possible? The answer is yes. Equal to, keep your cursor in the next cell, equal to, and select this particular cell, that is E7. Basically I'm just trying to copy the values. Enter. Once you copy the values, simply double click on this small doctor symbol, double click, and you'll be getting the values here. Now we have copied the values, nothing else, nothing great we have done. But what you do is select this numbers, conditional formatting, data bars, and you can select some bar here. Okay, so I'll select as purple data bar. Now the numbers are still there. If you want to remove the numbers, select this column without the column heading, conditional formatting, manage rules. So the moment you click on manage rules, for the current selection, whatever rule is applied, if you see, that's a data bar and the format. Okay, that rule will be visible. If you want to see for the entire worksheet, click on the drop down, select this worksheet. So you see, for that particular worksheet, there are two different conditional formatting. Double click on this purple data bar and this rule will be visible here. Now there are backend settings which are done. So if you see, the format style is data bar, here is the main option. So you see there's a checkbox which says show bar only. Click on this checkbox. So in that cells only the bar would be shown, not the numbers, and you simply click on OK and apply and OK. So you see the data bars are only visible and the numbers are been hidden. Actually there are numbers at the back end, but they are not visible here. They are not visible here. So if you change the number here, let's say if you make it as 25, enter, the data bar will change. If you make 92 to 55, you see the data bar will change. If you put here as 15, data bar will change. Now there's one more feature which is added in the latest version of Excel 2010, 2013 and 2016. That is negative axis. If you enter a value below 0, let's say if I enter here as minus 25 or let's say minus 50, press enter, you see there's a negative axis which will be highlighted in red color. This color can be definitely changed. From this 57, make it as minus 69, and you see there's a vertical column which is created, vertical axis, and this is what you call negative axis at the left hand side. Here also it applies. If you type here as minus 25, enter, you see the negative axis will be created. Again minus 65 or 60, enter, negative axis. So if you want to change the negative axis color, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, select the option as this worksheet, double click on this purple, and here if you see negative value axis, and here they have given the bar direction which is given here, and also you can change the negative axis. Click on that and you can change the color to some, let's say, black color, and click on OK and OK. Apply. So you see that has been changed to black color. Same if you want to apply for the first column, this one, and you can simply double click here, negative value and axis, select the color as some yellow color like this. OK and OK. Apply. Make sure you click on apply. I think it's not applied. So negative value axis, select this yellow color. Yes. OK and OK. Make sure you click on apply. Now you see the color has been given here. So negative value axis colors also can be changed. Click on OK. So I hope you have understood what we are looking for, how to put data bars in the cells using conditional formatting. But also we have seen how to put in the next column also. So I hope you have understood, and that's all for this video. Hey guys, if you like the video, please support us by clicking on the like button and subscribe the channel for further new upcoming videos on Excel. Thank you.
A cat killed. Average is dead.